Hi everyone, today I want to recommend you the best Esim application for AI run, and you can find the link to it in the description below this video. So let me show you how easy it is to use. Just simply click the link in the description, you will be redirected here to Google Play. Download the app and open it. Once you've opened it, make sure that you are signing in this app by using the link in the description, because that is how you can get $7.5 bonuses, which is really huge. Once you've done that, click on Esim shop and find Iran here and choose the best option for you. So for example, I will choose 1 GB for 7 days. Click on buy now, and here we can choose how much bonus points we want to spend, and also if you want you can enable international calls. Click next, add a new card, click on buy now, and here just add your payment information. Once you've done that, you're ready to go and your eSIM will be activated. With excellent coverage, competitive prices, and a huge welcome bonus, you will definitely like this app. So be sure to try it out. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.